You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Famous Yoruba rights activist Sunday Igboho said that the Ooni of Ife, Obadeye Ogunwusi, had disappointed the people of Yoruba. According to him, when he visited President Muhammadu Buhari, the Ooni had made a mistake and failed to address issues concerning the Southwest ravaging killer Fulani herdsmen with him. The activist said this on Wednesday morning at a virtual town hall with Yoruba in the diaspora. Watch reports.
Oh, your picture. Your picture.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.